time to call the man behind that. So let's invite the managing director of MakeMyChairs.com, Mr. Ajit Bora, to share a few words with us. Please give him a brilliant applause.
So, good evening, all ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of MakeMyChairs.com and team, I thank Mart 100 and Roundtable India for giving me the opportunity for giving the opportunity to be a part of this great initiative. Tribute to a superhero. These 1,000 chairs are entirely dedicated to late APJ Abdul Kalam on his vision, and we are thankful for the we could contribute towards this vision. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. We're very proud to have a citizen like you. Now, I'd like to invite our area chairman-elect, Tabler Santosh Raj, to please come forward and address the gathering. A big shout out for him as well.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Greetings from Area 2. And welcome to all the press members also who are here to cover the event. Chairman Rajesh, congratulations. Truly a remarkable event. Extraordinary gentleman, superhero. Everything has been superlative today over here. In the first quarter, doing a project of 1,000 donation of chairs, that too to FTE students, is truly remarkable. I'm sure the recipient of the chairs who are studying from home right now, this would be immensely helpful to them, going in the right direction. And congrats and wishing you all the best. Thanks to MBM Chairs coming forward to do such a noble cause. I'm sure this will be one of the landmark projects that is happening this year in Roundtable India. Friends, Roundtable India has been a non-political and service-oriented organization in existence for the last 63 years. We have done some remarkable projects. We have built in excess of 7,000 classrooms till date, which is at an outlay of 363 crores. I'm sure we are one among the very few organizations who have given importance to education this much, and it is only right that we have a true hero who is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who gives importance so much to education, and we are celebrating him through this event. Thank you, Rajesh, for connecting such an amazing event with a superhero. Wishing you all the best for the rest of the year, and thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for that insightful address. It's time to have the donors receive their medals. So I once again invite our Tabler Santosh Raj to please join us back on stage. Tabler Rajesh to please join us again. It's time to distribute the medals to the donors. So I'm going to be inviting them one by one. Well, the first being Santosh Raj himself. So, okay, so since we've done that, let's move on with Satish Mehta. I'd like to invite Satish Mehta on stage. A big, big bravo. Together. Oh, it's always nice to have a lady there. So please give it up for them. I invite Vijay Anand to please join us on stage now to receive the medal. Mr. Vijay Anand. Okay. Moving forward, Mr. Sujay. Please join us. A big round of applause for him. Please put your hands together. We'd like to invite Mr. Amit Kothari to please join us here. Please put your hands together for the German. I invite next Mr. Pavan Salunke to please join us here. A big thanks to him. I invite Mr. Lenin to kindly join us now. Please join your hands. I'd like to invite Mr. Venkat on stage. Kudos to him. I request Mr. Prem Anand to please join us. All right.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம்.
மிக்க நன்றி இந்த ஈவெண்ட்டை கவர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இங்கே வந்திருக்கிறதுக்கு. மெட்ராஸ் ஆங்கரேஜ் ரவுண்ட் டேபிள் 100 ரவுண்ட் டேபிள் இந்தியாவுடைய ஒரு மார்க்கமானது சென்னையில் இன்னைக்கு 1000 சேர்ஸ் ஸ்டடி டெஸ்க்ஸ் FTE ஸ்கூல், அதாவது ஃப்ரீடம் த்ரூ எஜுகேஷன் சொல்லி ரவுண்ட் டேபிள் இந்தியானந்து நாங்கள் கட்டி கொடுத்துருக்கிற ஸ்கூலுடைய பள்ளி மாணவர்களுக்கு டொனேஷனாக 1000 சேர்ஸ் கொடுக்கறதுக்கு முன் வந்திருக்கிறாங்க. டெஃபினட்டாக இந்த லாக்டவுன் டைமில் பசங்க வீட்டிலேருந்து படிக்கிறதுக்கு இது மிகவும் உதவியாக இருக்கும். இது வந்து எங்களுக்கு இந்த வருஷம் ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய ப்ராஜெக்ட். அதுக்கு எங்களுடைய சேர்மன் ராஜேஷுக்கு மனமார்ந்த நன்றி தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம். இது வந்துட்டு பேன் இண்டியா டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் நடக்க போகுது. அதாவது எல்லா சிட்டிலையுமே இருக்கிற ஃப்ரீடம் த்ரூ எஜுகேஷன் ஸ்கூல்ஸுக்கு 9th 10th அண்ட் 11th 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸுக்கு டாப்பர்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லி செலக்ட் பண்ணி அவங்களுக்கு வந்து டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூஷன் நாங்கள் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஒன்ஸ் அகெயின் எல்லோரும் இங்கே வந்ததுக்கு மிக்க நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you everyone. This entire program was dedicated to late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So we wanted to do something unique to commemorate his visions and his ideas for India and education. His love for children was unparalleled, and he used to push children to learn and educate themselves. So this is our initiative to help the students during the pandemic to study well, and as much as support we can give. So I thank MakeMyChairs.com MD to come forward and donate 1000 study chairs. So these chairs are ergonomically designed and of the best quality we are trying to give to students, so they can have a comfortable seating and right posture to sit and study at their home. Thank you.
So I thank Roundtable Mart 100 and Roundtable India for giving us this opportunity to donate this 1000 chairs on the vision of late APJ Abdul Kalam. Thank you.